Lecture 4: Choosing and Customizing Your Avatar and Voice. Let's begin with a thought experiment. Imagine you're watching a video about teamwork. One version is delivered by a serious looking professional avatar with a formal tone of voice. Another version is presented by a friendly, approachable avatar with a casual voice. Which one would you pay more attention to? This shows us that the choice of avatar and voice directly shapes how your audience feels about your video. In this lecture, you'll be able to make thoughtful decisions about pairing avatars and voices to create an authentic and effective message. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand how avatars and voices affect audience perception. Learn how to select the right avatar for different types of projects. Practice customizing voices for tone, clarity, and impact. The role of avatars in communication. Avatars are the digital presenters in HeyGen. They bring your script to life by adding a human face and body language. For example, when you just click in here as avatars, you will have plenty of options. Like here you can see like Georgia, Annie, and Francis, Nelina, Celestine, Judy, and many others as well. So you can choose any of these. Professional settings. A formal looking avatar in business attire works well for presentations, training videos, or pitches. For example, you can just choose this one as it looks formal, and when you scroll down a bit, you can have multiple options like, for example, this one and this one as well. So you can use any of these. Casual or creative settings. A friendly avatar with a relaxed appearance is more engaging for social media content or informal class projects. For example, you can choose this one, or when you just scroll up a bit, you can choose like this one. It is an AI, but still you can use it in informal content, and you can just scroll down a bit. As here you can see, this is good for tech related videos. This is good for podcast related videos and any of these. Global settings. HeyGen also offers avatars with diverse looks, making it easier to connect with different cultural or international audiences. Practical example. If you're delivering a business proposal to potential investors, using an avatar in a suit with a confident posture makes sense. But if you're making a quick explainer for your classmates, a younger, approachable avatar would resonate better. Voices. More than just sound. Voices in HeyGen are not just about reading text. They set the tone of your entire video. For that, you can just click in here as Voices tab. And here you have a built-in library with 1,806 voices in here. And here you can see you have options like Allison, Wilder, Jamai, Friendly, which is middle-aged, explainer, narration, and for Google. So it just gives you everything that you need in your video. Tone of voice. Choose a voice that matches your purpose, formal for academic or professional work, casual for personal or creative projects. Accents and languages. HeyGen offers multiple accents and languages, enables us to reach global audiences. Pacing and clarity. A slower paced voice is useful for instructional videos, while a faster, energetic voice works well for marketing or social media. Practical example. If you're making a tutorial for your classmates, a calm and clear voice will help them follow instructions. But if you're advertising an event on Instagram, an energetic voice will grab attention quickly. Pairing avatars and voices. The real power comes from combining the right avatar with the right voice. A mismatch like a young avatar speaking with an overly robotic, monotone voice can distract the audience. Think of avatar and voice as a team. Together, they should reflect the personality of your message. For example, you just click in here to create a video and create landscape. Now you will have to select an avatar. You can choose any of these. For example, we just go with this one as Georgia. And you can select the pose as well. For now, we'll just click in here as a formal one. Now we have to select the voice. For that, you can just click in here and click in here. You can select many of the voices available for Georgia specifically, like lifelike, excited, friendly, soothing, broadcaster, serious, and all of these. So it just depends on the message that you want to give to the audience. So for example, you just want to go with friendly one, click in here. And here you can see you have selected this one. Now the only thing you have to do is just paste your script in here and click on generate. Case example. A student once created a video introducing a sustainability project. They chose a young, relatable avatar and paired it with a warm, friendly voice. The result felt authentic and engaging, which made their classmates more interested in the content. Your script is the message, but the avatar and voice are the messengers. By pairing them wisely, you ensure your video doesn't just deliver information, it leaves an impression.